Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a firmware update. The first thing that you need to have installed is your application. This application is called JBL Headphones. In this application, as you can see, we've got software update available. If we tap it, we'll drag to the version version number, and here I've got a quick overview. What's new? Stability and performance improvement. Let's tap update, and here we've got 10 minutes remaining. So now you need to wait, leave your phone like this and your headphones like this connected, and that should be it. Let's see. After the update. Now we've got our update installing on our phone. On our earbuds. So we need to wait another 3 minutes. Okay, and now it's done. We need to hit done button, and here we've got our earbuds back again in our app. That's it. Bye.